Welcome to Ask Grandma Carol. Today I have a question from Jenny. Why is the sky sometimes blue and sometimes red, she asks. Great question, Jenny. Let's explore why the sky appears to be different colors at different times. Why is the sky blue? Some people think it's because the sky reflects the ocean. Some people think oxygen is a blue-colored gas. Some people think sunlight has a blue tint. These answers are all W-R-O-N-G, wrong. And by the end of this episode, you'll know why. The right answer centers around three things. First, the sun emits all colors of visible light. When you mix all those colors together, you get white. When you pass the sun's light through a prism, you get all the colors of the rainbow. Each color has a different wavelength, which affects when it is seen. Second, our atmosphere is made up of light, and that light, like the sun's rays, is made up of many different wavelengths. Finally, our eyes see shorter wavelengths more easily than longer ones. It all has to do with the scattering of electromagnetic radiation. That's a complicated subject, but all you have to know is that light is made up of wavelengths that correspond to different colors, and that shorter wavelengths correspond to blue tones. Blue light has some of the shortest wavelengths. Red light has the longest wavelengths. Sunlight scatters on its way down to Earth. Because blue light wavelengths are shorter, they scatter more easily and are more prominent. That's why the sky looks blue during most of the day. At noon, when the sun is overhead, it appears to be white. That's because light travels a shorter distance through the atmosphere to get to us at this time of the day, and is scattered very little. During most of the day, the sky looks blue because blue light scatters the most. It scatters all over the sky. When the sun has more atmosphere to pass through, light from the sun reddens. This happens at sunrise and at sunset. Sunlight enters our atmosphere at a different distance and angle. Most of the shorter blue wavelengths scatter before we can see them. We see reds and yellows without all that competition from the blues. As a result, the whole western sky sometimes has a spectacular red glow. Do you have a question for Grandma Carol? Email me at askgrandmacarol@yahoo.com. Yours just might be one of the questions I answer on the show. And don't forget to give this episode a thumbs up and subscribe to be notified when new episodes come out.